ang ato ang brand new nga wheelchair atong giputos lang kay abog diri sa store nga ato siyang ablihan. Brand new wheelchair, lightweight wheelchair niya. 11 kilos, weight niya 11 kilos. Ang capacity sa musakay kay 80 kilos. Brand new niya, brand new niya. Compact wheelchair. Oh, black color. 11 kilos. 11 kilos. Oh. Yeah. We'll open the wheelchair. To open, stretch lang gamay, then push. Oh. Ini siya ang wheelchair kung open na. Kung open ang wheelchair, ang kani siya, iyang backrest. Wow. Backrest, ma-bend, ma-fold. Oh. Nya. Nya balik. Mani iyang side view, yung front view, side view. Naa siya'y seat belt. Saan? What happened to seat belt? Oh, basta na sa seat belt. This is brand new, lightweight, compact, travel wheelchair. Travel. Oh. Yeah. Kani iyahang footrest. Oh. Footrest. Yeah, bulingkod ta. I am 86 kilos. Oh. As long dako pa kaya, as long masulod. Oh, 86 nya kinahanglan na ay magtulod. There will someone to push you at the back. There's a brake, and like this. I am 86 kilos. Travel wheelchair, lightweight, so light, so comfortable. Oh. Brake from the lever, a lever at the back. Someone will push you. Oh. See? Yeah. Then how to fold? How to fold? You have to pull this up. Oh, then push back. Wow. Then close. Oh. Then if you want to put it in a car, this one. So small. So can fit to your backside, back area of your car. This is the cheapest and saleable wheelchair. sellable wheelchair meaning uh, more than 100 pieces to sell because so cheap and so lightweight. Travel wheelchair. Uh, Small wheels have a brake from the back, and brake from the wheel from the user. This is brake from the user. A brand new